What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to go live with the C70. I'm going to show you guys how to hook this up to the computer and then use it as a live stream camera if you want to. It will work. I've used it. Actually, I'm going to link below a live stream that I did for my aunt. It will be in the, maybe not the first link, but it'll be down there. It's going to be Hattie's live stream. Click on that link and then you will see this camera being used as the main camera, and you will see it that you can use it as a live stream camera. So before I get too deep in the video and show you guys how to do it when I'm on a computer, I'm going to show you everything you will need to make this happen. So you will need a video capture card. This is the one I'm using. I don't know if it'll focus, but this is the one I'm using right here. It's really good. I have no problems with it. It works great. And you will need a USB-C by USB-C Thunderbolt 3. If you're using this one, it has to be Thunderbolt 3 or the computer will not, it won't pick it up, it will not work. It has to be a Thunderbolt 3 cable. It's the last time I'm going to say that. Because this is the only one I have in the whole house. I didn't know that until I started live streaming with this camera. Also, you will need an HDMI cable, however long you want it. I have mine pretty long because, you know, sometimes you want the camera to be a little further. I have multiple sizes, but this is the size I'm going to demonstrate using this here. So that's everything you're going to need. It's just 3 items. Obviously the camera as well. This setup will actually work with any camera, but today I'm going to show you how to get it working with the C70, the Canon C70. So with saying that, let's get into it. I'm going to jump on the computer, hook everything up. I'm going to try to show you how to hook everything up. It's really simple, but I'm going to show you really fast. The screen is recording, so you'll be able to see everything I see on my computer. So with that, let's get to hooking everything up. The first thing you're going to do is hook up your Ultra Studio Recorder 3G, the Blackmagic one. Just plug it in, real simple, nothing to it. I'm actually going to use this camera right here to record what I'm doing down here on the computer. So after that, you're literally, this is it right here. You're literally just going to plug this in to the computer. That simple. As you see here, there's your HDMI. If it'll focus, there is your HDMI right there. So that's it, really simple. Then, I'm sure you already know, you're gonna plug in your HDMI to here, into the camera, and then we go from there. Then we jump into the computer. So with that out the way, let's get this hooked up to the computer and camera so I can show you how to do everything step by step, just like I said. Okay, so literally all you're gonna do is take your C70, if you have it, plug in your HDMI. The HDMI port is right there on the C70. You're gonna literally just plug it in. C70. Okay, so this is the part where you're really gonna have to pay attention, because whenever I got to this part, I was like, okay, this is gonna be easy. Open up OBS and you're done. But whenever I plugged in the Blackmagic capture card, the computer just didn't recognize it. So what you're gonna have to do, which I'm not gonna redo, but all you have to do is go to Blackmagic's website. You're gonna have to download Desktop Video Setup right here. Click on that whenever you're done downloading it, and then you are gonna have to make sure it's selected on HDMI, make sure it's being recognized, because you can click on here, you can do the SDI port or the HDMI. Make sure it's on HDMI if you're using HDMI. Go ahead and close that out. If you don't do that, OBS will not recognize it and you'll be wasting your time. After that, go to OBS. Let me turn on my camera. So once you have OBS open, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create a scene. I'm gonna title mine Camera B. Once you do that, you hit OK, and then you're gonna create a source. Click on Blackmagic Device. Once you click on Blackmagic Device, you're gonna title it whatever you want, hit OK. Then you are going to go to Devices and you're going to click on Ultra Studio Recorder 3G. Video connection, HDMI. Then you're going to have your feed, and that's how you get your feed on the C70. It's pretty simple, but I figured I'd show you that. That's how you do it. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's not a clean HDMI out. Most of the time that's going to be a problem. You definitely don't want that. But it is picking up the signal, so we're good. That part's good. So what you're gonna wanna do on the camera, which you're gonna be able to see me do it from here, you wanna go to your settings, scroll all the way over to right here, go down, you're gonna go to right here, on-screen display HDMI. You're gonna wanna turn that off. So that's on, and then I'm scrolling down right now, that's off. You definitely wanna have it on off. And the second thing you're gonna notice is that it's in log 3. You don't want it in log 3 when you're doing a live stream, at least I don't. So what you will do is, I'm actually gonna turn my screen back on just so you guys could see it, but what you will do is you will go here, you will scroll over, put it in C09, or C09, 709, and then there you go, you're no longer in log. Then you go back to your menu, scroll down, turn this off, and you are now live with this camera. So that is how you do it. It does require a few steps. Once you get it set up, it's super easy. Unfortunately, it does require a capture card. With my Canon EOS R and then with my Canon M50 here, it don't require a capture card. I can literally just plug it in on the side with the USB-C cable, and I can go live just with an app that Canon came out with that works amazing. What's cool though is, now that I have the capture card and now that I have my Canon R, I could actually run a live stream with 2 different cameras and it worked perfect. I don't have to worry about, I can switch back and forth perfectly because they're 2 different sources. So it works great. So I would definitely recommend, if you have the C70, to do the live stream this way, because like I said, there is a link down below if you want to see this camera in action with an actual live stream. It looks amazing. So with that, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, and notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.